Alright everybody, welcome to the last week of Unit 1. So today we're going to go through this warm-up. We have quite a bit to get through, so let's get going. So number 1, we just want to identify what the solid is, and you can see that it is at least a rectangular base, but it is a pyramid. So we're going to call it a square pyramid. We'll just call it a pyramid, just to be safe. Number 2, we want to find the distance, so we're going to use our distance formula. So label our points x1, y1, x2, y2. So that means we have 4 minus 7 squared. Oh, I did the y's first. That's fine. It doesn't matter which order you do them in. The x is 1 minus negative 3. So that's going to be 4 minus 7 is negative 3. And 1 plus 3, of course, is 4. Negative 3 squared is 9. And 4 squared is 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. And the square root of 25 is 5. Number 3, we know that they're supplementary, so we want to find what measure of angle C is. So that means we just add these up, set them equal to 180, and solve for y. So 3y minus 5 plus 8y plus 20 equal to 180. We're going to combine like terms, so we got a 3y and 8y, that's 11y. Negative 5 and 20, that's 15, equal to 180. Subtracting 15 from both sides. We got 11y equal to 165. We divide it by 11 on both sides. And 165 divided by 11 is 15. Oh, we weren't looking for y, as we want to know what angle C is. So the measure of angle C is equal to 3 times 15, or y, minus 5. 3 times 15 is 45, minus 5 is 40. So today we're looking at a few different things, namely just a bunch of different transformations of graphs of figures and just figures in general. So reflections, translations, rotations, and dilations, but there's no vocab to do with those. So the reflection of a line, or in a line, just means that it's reflecting across the line. So it's the same distance away from that line as it is originally. So the first one, we're just going to sketch it out and draw it. And we want to reflect it across this line. So what that means is we need to basically sketch some lines going across that are the same length on both sides, but perpendicular to line P. So from W across right about there, maybe. It's all estimation really, but it's okay. So there's what we're going to call W prime. And you do the same thing for all the points. It doesn't have to be perfect. There's our x prime. Do that for y. Again, just kind of estimating in the best you can for y prime. And then the last one at z prime. Again, you want to be perpendicular and as far on one side as you are on the other. The best you can. It's not a perfect science with this, unless you're actually physically measuring the distances. Let me do those a little better here. And there we go. It is reflected across the line P. So now you try to do one yourself.